Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Wilson Echo Pickleball Paddle on the market. If you're looking for a paddle that combines performance, comfort, and style, this might just be the perfect fit for your game. The Wilson Echo Energy Pickleball Paddle stands out with its thoughtful design and top-tier construction. Proudly made in the USA, it carries the approval of USA Pickleball for competitive play, making it a reliable choice whether you're a beginner or an advanced player. One of the first things you'll notice is its classic shape, measuring 16 inches in length and 8 inches in width, giving you ample surface area for versatile shots in both singles and doubles matches. What really sets this paddle apart is its core. The polypropylene honeycomb core is engineered to effectively dampen vibrations, providing a comfortable feel on every hit. This feature helps reduce strain on your arm, especially during long games, allowing for extended play with less fatigue. Complementing this core is the fiberglass composite surface. Fiberglass is known for its lightweight yet durable qualities, and here it enables smooth swings with excellent shot depth. It delivers a lively response, adding extra energy to your shots while maintaining control. The grip size of the paddle is 4.5 inches, designed to offer a secure yet comfortable hold. The extended handle length is a thoughtful touch for players who prefer a two-handed backhand, offering greater control and power without sacrificing maneuverability. Weighing in between 7.7 and 8.1 ounces, the paddle strikes a balance between lightweight agility and substantial feel, making it easy to react quickly while still maintaining solid contact with the ball. The frame itself is constructed from polypropylene, ensuring durability and resilience during intense play. The shaft material is carbon fiber, adding strength without extra weight, which is a great combination for those who want both speed and precision. The overall dimensions and weight make the Wilson Echo Energy Paddle feel like a natural extension of your arm, encouraging confident and aggressive play. Beyond the technical aspects, the design of the paddle is striking and modern. Its energetic look complements its performance, making it a paddle you'll be proud to carry onto the court. Whether you're smashing powerful shots or placing soft dinks, this paddle responds with consistency and ease. In summary, the Wilson Echo Energy Pickleball Paddle offers a well-rounded package for players at all skill levels. Its vibration-dampening core, fiberglass surface, balanced weight, and ergonomic handle design work together to elevate your game. The fact that it's USA Pickleball approved adds credibility and confidence for competitive players. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you want a paddle that blends power, comfort, and style, the Wilson Echo Energy Pickleball Paddle is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth product reviews.